my name's Roger. I'm the product promoter for technical chemicals in the Wurth Group. Today I'm here at Wurth Australia to show you the unique features of our Rost-Off Blue Ice. Rost-Off Blue Ice is a mineral oil-based product which is superb for losing all rusty connections, rusty joints, rusty bolts and nuts, whatever you have in your application. The unique feature of this product is its crack effect, as the product will cool down your screws or nuts to minus 45 degrees Celsius, so really cool. And if as soon as you reach the temperature of minus 45 degrees, the product will show a blue color because it is equipped with a color indicator. What this actually does while cooling down the bolts and nuts is actually cracking up the rusty parts which are in between the cavities, helping you to loosen the joints afterwards very easily. The product actually offers also a long-term protection against further corrosion. Of course, the product is free of any silicones, any acids, and doesn't contain any resins. To show you these effects, we are going to make a small demonstration. Just take a piece of plastic bag, open the can, shake a little bit, and then spray gently into the plastic bag. And as you can see, it turns the color into blue very fast. If you are touching here, but be careful, it's really cold, it's minus 45 degrees. When you touch it, you see the boiling effect, which is used in the penetration of the product into the cavities. As you just saw, Rost-Off Blue Ice is your product of choice for any locked connections in your workshop. In case of any questions, don't hesitate to call Wurth Australia or put them into the comments. Yeah, Rost-Off Blue Ice, ready for work.